Hey guys, so it's Andre again from the Rich Returns team, and if you're wondering how to test your Stripe integration, um, wonder no more. You'll be able to test it as soon as you have access to store-wide exchanges, of course, and just enable those store-wide exchanges. And I have already done all of that, so I'm gonna go and visit my portal here. Um, Test with the test order I have already created. So go ahead and try to exchange for a different product store wide. Go ahead and choose a higher priced item than the one I'm exchanging. So choose this one here, choose the reason here, go ahead, choose the return method. Go ahead, and as you can see, we're prompted with a window where we're shown that we have a due of $100 that we need to pay before we submit the following return. So I'm ready to complete the transaction. This means that I'll be taken to another model on Stripe where I'm gonna finalize the transaction and pay the remaining $100 so I can complete this transaction and pay for the higher priced item. So let's go ahead and use test information here. Just enter something in the future. Enter my name. Go ahead, pay, and let's see what we got. We're still processing here, so as soon as this is done, the return should be created and it should land in your dashboard. But let's see. Yeah, we're waiting for the green, and yeah, here it is. So as soon as this message is displayed on your screen, the return will be in your dashboard. The transaction will be complete, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.